Spaghetti alla vodka, but with a twist. Instead of the cream, we're gonna use the burrata. Ingredients for today's pasta: butter, onions, cherry tomatoes, peperoncino, chili, burrata, fresh burrata, parmigiano reggiano, tomato paste, vodka. Finish with a little bit of herbs, fresh basil. And we're gonna do it with the spaghetti. We're gonna cut the onions, but we're gonna make it like a paste of onions. It's not gonna be chopped. It's gonna be like a cream of onions, like a really thin, all right? There you go. This is the consistency you want. So we're gonna put the onions there. Okay, that's it. Put the butter, and we cook this. Cut the chili, a little bit of chili. Inside there. And we're gonna slice the tomato, and we're gonna put all the tomato there. While this is cooking, we're gonna put the vodka in. Then a little bit of tomato paste. And we're gonna let it cook. Let's add some cooking water. Cook all this slowly. We are ready to put our spaghetti in our salty ocean water. There we go. Voila. And we're gonna cook it for 10 minutes. Oh, as you know, you just read the labels on your spaghetti box. All right, so our pasta is ready now. So we're gonna put the spaghetti inside the vodka sauce. Wonderful, look at that. Mmm, so yummy. Wow. Parmigiano. Mmm, so yummy. Oh, nice fresh basil. Okay, and this is our spaghetti vodka version, but with the burrata. We're gonna taste this pasta with the burrata. Wonderful, wow, look at that. It does taste different than the vodka. You can actually taste the cheese inside. Not a lot, but you can actually feel that it's a little bit more, cheesy. But, the burrata is it's a wonderful, light cheese, so it's not heavy on you, We're gonna put as a special, this one, so good, that we're gonna put as a special a Borti pasta here in Miami. So come and check us out. When you're gonna follow us on Instagram, when you're gonna see this pasta, just come over and you're gonna taste this exactly the same pasta. Or you can make it at home, but so easy, you just come here. Enjoy.